If you watched my last video, you might remember this flag. Nope, that's not the true Andorra flag. I changed the motto. I changed its color and its text. So this is not the true Andorra flag. Now let's get editing. Next up, Antigua and Barbuda. Okay, if Palau didn't have its flag, I would make this flag like Palau's. Okay. Yeah, but just delete it. This Antigua also delete. This one's gonna be different altogether. Yep. Its shape is gonna be like Nepal. Actually, no, I don't think. Making it look like Nepal would be a good idea. Maybe just make it this long, mofo. Actually, let's stretch it to make it look like this. Insert a crescent a green crescent which will have actually let's make the cutout position 45. Now let's make it 20. Here. Yeah. Let's just move it to the center. Actually, let's make the crescent blue, okay? That. Okay. Good. Looking. Of course you know this. Yeah. This is just gonna be Antigua and Barbuda. This is Antigua and Barbuda. Literally. Antigua and Barbuda. Moon. Blue moon. That represents... Let's see. Let's move over to Antigua and Barbuda. What? Mom, what? Cheese is good. Yep, my oxygen is very high right now. Yep, I use pepperoni pizza to heal up my oxygen. Yeah. This moon is just to represent its two islands, and the yellow background is to represent its beaches. Yeah. This is why I made it look like this. Stupid monstrosity. Now Armenia. What? Armenia? Okay. Yeah. Just look at this monstrosity. Let's just change this bar. Do something that looks, yeah. And then let's just add a little triangle right here. It's gonna be green. Yeah, I'm so obsessed with green right now. Let's move. Thanks. Armenia's flag doesn't look like that. Yeah, we might want a transparent background, okay? Transparent. Yeah, that's a perfect Armenia flag. Now, let's go. Oh, Argentina. Yeah, this is Argentina. All I need to do is change its color to red. Now, what's up this good city and flag? Yeah, this is really a good city and flag. What I was talking about? Literally, we don't need to even do anything with the background. Australia? Just delete star. No star. Not star time. Nope. 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 We're gonna remove the UK flag captain. Add this triangle. Nah, actually, it's just gonna be plain rectangle. this rectangle. Confusing already. This looks like your crane's flag, right? We should change this fact. Let's add a small little cat. Let's add this. Yeah, this rectangle. Shall be green. Yep. Sky, desert, and a single alone cactus. Yeah, that looks like a bad Australia flag, right? Especially that pretty much the only difference from your crane's flag is that your crane's flag doesn't have the cactus that this Australian one has, so well, it might break one of the good flag, bad flag. It might break one wolf being a good flag. The one where the flag should be unique. Yeah. Okay, yeah, we're gonna have to be getting out here soon. Finding Austria. Austria's perfect flag. Just add the Austrian. Austria. Just add this. Let's just turn this to look like this. Make it smaller. Boo. No, not that. Just make it smaller still. Put it on the bottom. And boom. There goes creepy, perfect Austria flag. This represents mountain. This represents a size. Yeah. The flag doesn't need that. Okay. Now bye-bye slide.